Welcome to Financial Literacy, presented by Jay Get It. Today's session is all about helping you take control of your money, reduce financial stress, and build confidence in your financial future. Whether you're just getting started or looking to improve your financial habits, this presentation will walk you through budgeting, saving, banking, credit, and investing, the real foundations of financial success in 2026 and beyond. Let's get started. Financial literacy simply means understanding how money works in your everyday life. It's about knowing how to manage your income, control expenses, save intentionally, and make informed decisions. Without financial literacy, people often feel overwhelmed, confused, or stuck. With it, you gain clarity, confidence, and control. This is the skill set that turns stress into strategy. Let's break down the three core pillars. Budgeting helps you track income and expenses so you know exactly where your money goes. Saving allows you to prepare for emergencies and future goals without relying on debt. Investing helps grow your money over time through tools like stocks, retirement accounts, and other financial instruments. Together, these three habits create financial stability. For many people, money is emotional. Bills, debt, and unexpected expenses cause anxiety, frustration, and overwhelm. Financial stress doesn't just affect your bank account, it affects your mental health, relationships, and decision-making. The good news? Financial stress is not permanent. With education and small changes, anyone can move from chaos to clarity. Here's the reality. Most adults were never taught money skills in school. No one explained budgeting, no one taught credit, no one showed how saving or investing works. So people learn through trial and error, often at a high cost. That's why financial education matters now more than ever. This slide shows the transformation. On one side, overwhelm. On the other, confidence. The difference is knowledge and action. When you understand your finances and create simple systems, you stop reacting and start leading your money. Control starts with awareness. Here are 3 essential steps. First, track your expenses. Know where every dollar goes. Second, set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving, paying off debt, or buying a home, goals give direction. Third, review your budget regularly. Life changes, income changes, expenses change, your budget should too. Budgeting isn't restriction, it's freedom. Your credit score impacts, loan approvals, interest rates, housing options, even employment in some cases. Strong credit opens doors, poor credit closes them. Pay bills on time, keep balances low, and avoid unnecessary debt. Credit is a tool, use it wisely. Banking is the foundation of financial stability. Your checking account handles daily spending. Your savings account protects your future. Banks help with loans, investments, and financial guidance. Understanding banking empowers you to manage resources and grow wealth intentionally. Your bank should be a partner, not just a place to store money. Saving creates security. It prepares you for emergencies. It supports your goals. It gives peace of mind. Start small if needed. Even $25 a paycheck adds up. Consistency matters more than amount. Saving today protects tomorrow. Investing is how money grows. Instead of working only for income, investing puts your money to work. Over time, compound growth can transform small contributions into significant wealth. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to start. Financial confidence comes from knowledge. When you understand money, you make smarter choices. Regular saving builds stability. Good habits create growth. Confidence isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Financial professionals exist to guide you. They provide tailored advice, education, and support. Building relationships with your bank creates opportunities for better financial outcomes. Ask questions. Use resources. You don't have to navigate finances alone. Now it's your turn. Engage, learn, apply what you've heard. Small steps today create massive results tomorrow. Your financial future is built one decision at a time. Picture your future. Less stress, more stability, clear goals, real confidence. Financial literacy gives you control, and control gives you freedom. Thank you for joining today. Keep learning, keep growing. This is Jay Get It. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or investment advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.